So now this lock extends like this, and you want to check on the jamb here. If I close this door and that lock touches this at all, I'm going to want to chisel this out so that it doesn't touch, just for the lock to function properly. If I shut this, that touches the brick molding. So I'm going to have to chisel that out just a little bit. So I'm just going to extend this, make a light mark about here and here. That way I know where to chisel on the inside. You could also put some paint or something on here if you wanted to make it perfect, but that should be fine. And I forgot my small chisel. Shh. There we go. Now I can put the striker plate on. I'm gonna put a screw in this little slot here and this one here, and there's already pre-drilled holes. And you use those small screws. Now that we went in those slots, I'll be able to shut the door and lock it, and I'll be able to move this either way to put it in the right place so the door closes properly. Let's see how it shuts. Ooh. Did I nail it? I can move it in a little bit to get a little tighter of a seal. So loosen this just a little bit. Let's check that. There we go. That's good. And the lock works. Now that we got it lined up where we want it, we can pre-drill these holes and attach this permanently. Okay, one more time. Let's check it. Perfect.